Your wedding day is one of the most important days of your life, so you want to make sure you have the right wedding vendors to help make it a success. Here are 5 questions that you should ask every wedding supplier before you book them. Always ask how many years have they been in business and how many weddings would they do a year. You are spending a lot of time and a lot of money planning a wedding, so you want to make sure that your preferred suppliers have plenty of wedding experience. Ask if they have any reviews or testimonials about their business. Check for reviews across multiple websites and social media sites, and even ask if you can chat with previous clients. Ask if their business will provide a written contract outlining all inclusions and cost. A professional business will always provide a booking contract for you to go over and discuss before you book. Make sure you are completely happy with the contract, and that you fully understand their cancellation policy before you sign and book their service. Ask if they have any insurance cover. Any business that is professional and takes pride in its work will always have some type of insurance. What is your backup plan if you or your staff are sick? What happens if you have to go to Plan B? There are many other questions that you need to ask when planning your wedding, but we feel these 5 are the most important. Remember, make sure that you feel comfortable with whoever you book to partner you at your wedding. Thank you for watching the Wedding Ideas channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. Happy planning!